we're going to look at random functions within Python. Now, randomness is innate in a lot of places. So, for example, when we play board games and we use dice, in that case, we are randomly generating numbers. Another place where we get it is with card games as well. So randomly generating the position of the cards and so on. And that is inherent in the game and actually is what makes the games fun and exciting. So when we come to write programs, being able to incorporate randomness into them is a really important idea. So I'm going to show you now how we can incorporate random into our Python program. So let's have a look at this. So the first thing we do is we need to import random, which is a separate module, and we're going to show you a couple of functions related to random. So the first one is random rand int. So what this does, it generates a random number between, in this case, it's going to generate between 1 and 6. This is going to be simulating the roll of a dice. So I now just print selected, and if I now save that as, so I call this, if I call this random, that's a really bad idea. I need to give it something that's different from that, because what will happen is the module will kind of call itself random and then it just won't work. So I'm just going to call this random example and then save that. If I run this, what's going to happen is it generates a different number each time I run it between 1 and 6. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at that. So there we go, 5, 6. So it's randomly selecting a number between, there we go, it's 4 again. You can see 5, 5 again. Do one more. There we go, 5 again. Okay, but typically you'd get lots of random numbers between 1 and 6 by doing that. So that's the first random function, which is really useful. Another one is random choice. So I'll show you how that one works. So just do choice. So this allows us to select from a list of strings. So if I have my list here, so I'm going to call that A, and then I'm going to have a list of items within that list. So I'm going to have rock, paper, and then I'm going to have scissors. And if I now do random choice, it's not random choice, excuse me, it's just choice, random.choice, and then it's going to select one of these 3 strings, either rock, paper, or scissors. Again, if I save that and run it, you can see how that works. So scissors that time, run it again, run module, paper, so it's choosing those out of those 3 values there.